Hello, sixth graders. Welcome to Flipping the Classroom video, Nouns, Verbs, and Adjectives. Nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A few examples are boy, John, river, Texas, house, beach, joy. The family lives on a ranch in Montana. Family names people, ranch, Montana, name places. The two children had long discussions about happiness. Children are people, discussions are things, happiness is an idea. The immigrants came to America for freedom. Immigrants name people, America names a place, freedom names an idea. There are two main types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. Examples are president, city, state. A proper noun names a particular place, person, or thing. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. Examples are Abraham Lincoln, Springfield, Illinois. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. We saw lazy lions beneath a shady tree. Lazy, shady are adjectives. Adjectives tell what kind, how many, and which one. Lazy lions. Lazy is an adjective that tells what kind of lions. 3 adults. 3 is an adjective that tells how many adults. That tree. That is an adjective that tells which tree. 4 gray bugs are in the small garden. 4 tells how many. Gray is an adjective that tells what kind, and small is an adjective that tells which one. The mighty elephant pushed aside the large boulder. Mighty tells what kind, large tells which one. Predicate adjectives. An adjective that appears in the predicate after the verb is a predicate adjective. You can also say that a predicate adjective is an adjective that follows a linking verb and describes the subject of a sentence. Forms of be are the most common linking verbs. Be, is, am, are, was, were. Other linking verbs: look, taste, smell, feel, appear, seem, become. Here are some examples of predicate adjectives. I looked tired, but I feel fine. Tired, fine are predicate adjectives that describe the subject I. She is eager for a ride on her horse. Eager is the predicate adjective describing the subject she. Is the linking verb. The flowers smell unusually sweet. Sweet is the predicate adjective describing the subject flowers. Smell is the linking verb. The horse's coat appears gray in the shade. Gray is the predicate adjective describing the subject coat. Appears is the linking verb. The mango tastes bitter, but I will eat it anyway. Bitter is the predicate adjective describing the subject mango. Tastes is the linking verb. Adjectives can make comparisons. Comparative. Most adjectives add ER to compare two nouns. Today is hotter than yesterday. Superlative. Most adjectives add EST to compare three or more nouns. This is the hottest day of the year. Here are some other examples. Cold, colder, coldest. Safe, safer, safest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Flat, flatter, flattest. White, whiter, whitest. Other comparisons. Use more or less to form the comparative of most adjectives with two or more syllables. Use most or least to form the superlative of most adjectives with two or more syllables. Examples. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Less wonderful, least wonderful. Sometimes you need to change the spelling of the words. Much, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Verbs. A verb is a word in the predicate that tells physical or mental action or a state of being. There are three kinds of verbs. Action verbs tell what the subject is doing. We played until it was dark. Played is the action verb. It tells what the subject we are doing. The football flew through the air. Flew is the action verb. Tells what the football is doing. Linking verbs link a subject to a noun or adjective that tells or describes it. Is the linking verb. It links dog to collie. The buttered popcorn smells delicious. Smells is the linking verb. It's linking popcorn to delicious. Helping verbs come before the main verb and help state the action or show time. He has been painting the house today. Has been, those are the helping verbs that help the main verb painting. That is all for this video of nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot today.